This following use case was for a customer that wanted to create something where he gets tickets emailed to him from another ticketing software, and he wanted to go into Zoho Desk and not map it to the sender because the sender was another ticketing software, but need to be mapped to the right client. In order to do that, we had the client name in the subject line, so we harvested that out and found the client in the desk software, matched the ticket to them, and when they received the ticket, it was already mapped to the right client, and when they replied, it was going to the right email address. Furthermore, he wanted to have a sub account because the tickets he was getting was for a client of his that was managing sub clients, and he needed that information also in the ticketing software. So in order to do that, we wrote the workflow that did all that, and also used the Zoho extension that would map it to the right contact when replying. Because we discovered a small bug in Zoho Desk that even though you updated the to email address to the right one, when you did reply, it did not go to the correct one. So let me demonstrate. So we're going to email this ticket where the first part is a Zoho Desk customer. Second part is a Zoho Desk customer that's going to be the sub account. And this is our ticket information. It's coming from my email that is not the one we're going to map this to. So when I send this in, so my email is here, this will not be the client information. We'll wait for the ticket to arrive. It just did. Clicking on it, we could see testing at Gmail is going to be the right client information and not my email. And also we have a sub account name, the sub shop store 1205. We're cutting them off at the space and minus sign. Made a typo here, that's why we had the 1205 included. And then we have now secondary contacts for CCs. And when we hit reply all, we see that the right email is populated, testing at Gmail, which is our customer information. So that is it for this use case. If you have any questions or you need us to create something similar, please contact us.